and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, I am Ysay. I upload my travel vlogs every Tuesdays, and every Thursdays I upload makeup tutorials or anything about makeup. So if you like my content, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me, and click that notification bell to keep you updated on my latest video. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you my Marshalls haul. So the last time we went to Marshalls, I was on a hunt of eyeshadows, like affordable eyeshadows, so that I can make a tutorial out of it for you guys. So I was lucky. I found like several affordable shadows, and I'm gonna share it to you. And I also pick up some of the drugstore products like e.l.f. because I've been watching several reviews about e.l.f. products, and I find it amazing, and so I said I would definitely grab it. So first off, I'm gonna show you, I think, my drugstore picks that I got. The first one that I got is the e.l.f. Clear Brow and Lash Mascara. This is how it looks like. So it is double-ended, and you can use this both for your brows and mascara, and it is clear consistency, so it's very nice. And I use this one, and yeah, it is very good quality also, and I think it's for a very affordable price. And the next stuff that I grabbed from e.l.f. is their Wow Brow, and in the shade Deep Brown. This is how it looks like, and I'm gonna open it to you. This is the brush. You can put this for your brows, to groom your brows. So this is very good also, and very affordable. The next stop that I grabbed, I was looking for a concealer, and I saw this on sale rack or clearance rack. It is the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer, but in white. So this is the color. It is, I think, very large, like good product in it. So I tried this one. I think this is good when you do a cut crease kind of look. When you put this one instead of the concealer, this one shows a very good outcome when you put some shadows on your lids. So I'm gonna swatch it. It's color white, so I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. I think it's really white, like this one. So you have to just blend it on your eyelid, and once you blend this one, you tap the color or the shimmers, the shadows on your eyelid, then it just pops up. So it's very good. So I'm gonna make a tutorial using this one, and so just keep watching on my channel. And the other one that I grabbed was the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Eyeshadow Primer, and this is how it looks like. So I'm gonna try this one, and I'm gonna let you know my thoughts about this one. So without further ado, we'll go on to the eyeshadow palettes that I picked. So first off, actually I'm a eyeshadow lipstick kind of girl. So, and I also like shadows, like I'm a 9 to 15 pan shadows, and I don't usually buy the large shadows because it makes me feel overwhelmed when I saw lots of shadows, and like I don't know what to pick, and then I don't know how to create looks with so much shadows. But then this one caught my eye. I was about to go to the checkout counter, but I was so confused. I was like, wait a minute. So I'm gonna show you. And this is the palette. This is like a 35 palette, I think. 6, yeah, 30 big palette, and it is on the Cara Duo Cara Beauty. This one, I was so intrigued with the colors. Actually, there were 3 colors that was in the rack, and I purchased this for $12.99. But I checked their site because this palette is very new to me. I checked their site, and I think it is in a 15 to 20 range kind of price, but I get it for a cheap price at Marshall's. So I was so intrigued, and this was covered with plastic, so I cannot open it. But good thing it comes with this insert. It goes like this. Story of the palette, and I said, I'm gonna pick this up. It's kind of intriguing, and I love the color story of it. It's a lot of peach and pink, so I said, why not I try it? And then this one is in a peach kind of color, and it comes with a large mirror, and this is how the palette looks like. Very good for spring summer kind of look. You can create lots of looks with all the peach, the oranges, and you can also do neutral or even smoke it out, because the one thing that I like is they have the black one where you can make smoky eyes out of the rest and like a darkened color. So I picked this up because I was so intrigued, and I love the color story. And to my surprise, this one is very good pigmentation and like very easy, very blendable, and it wear test, it lasts like for 8 to 10 hours. So the other one that I picked was in the same collection, the Caro Duo in You Had Me at Aloha, and this is what the palette look like. It's pink, and it has also big mirrors, very good. And this is the palette. It has some yellows. I picked this up because of the yellows, and there's pink and purples and blues and the greens, and like, yeah, you can create lots of fun colors using this palette. And there was another one there, it's in a green, I forgot the name. So I compared them because I cannot grab all of them. I was tempted to grab all of them, but I said no, I just have to pick two. So I tried to compare them, and they have the same kind of story, color story with the other one. So I said I'd rather pick this one because I am so in love with this yellow colors, the pink and purples and the blues. So let me know in the comments down below. I'm gonna show you some tutorials and looks that I can create using this palette. So I am very excited to play with this palette. And yeah, very nice packaging, so slick. And this is my first ever palette that is very big and huge, so I'm excited to play with this one. The next step that I'm gonna show you guys is from the BH Cosmetics Glam Reflection in Smoke palette. And this is the packaging. Sorry if I'm blinding you. Very nice packaging. And this is the color. It comes also with a huge mirror, and this is the color story. I love it because of the matte neutrals and the streamers, pop-up shimmers you can do in her lid. And yeah, I love to make I said I'm gonna grab this because I can make smoky eye looks using this palette. And when I searched this on the internet, they also have, I think, 3 other palettes of this, but yeah, I was so lucky to grab this. This is only $7.99 at the clearance rack, so I said, yeah, why not grab it? And I'm gonna try this, and I'm gonna do tutorials using this palette. So let me know we can make more tutorials out of this palette. So the next step will be the palette under the Young Blood Mineral Cosmetics. This is how the packaging looks like. It is only $5. I found it also in the clearance rack, and I am very new with this product, this brand, Young Blood. And it comes with a small mirror, and this is the color story. I grabbed this one first of all because it was in the clearance rack, and I was so in love with the shades in the back. It has names. So the name of the eyeshadows is on the back, but on the front they didn't put any names. And I'm kind of liking this color and this one, and of course the purple one. So I'm gonna do some makeup looks using this palette, and it's it's very nice, and when I swatch it, it's also pigmented. So if you want to see a little bit of the swatch, I'm gonna swatch guys the purple. It's good pigmentation actually, and the gold one, nice, and this beige one. So this is how the shadow looks like. Very good pigmentation. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna try this one, and I'm gonna make lots of looks using this one too as well. So the last one that I grabbed, the eyeshadow palette. I was in a battle with this or the Milani one because they are all on the clearance rack as well. So I grabbed this Rimmel London Magnified Eyes Jewel Rocks Edition. This is how the palette looks like, and it's for $4. Oh, it comes with this, but I'm not gonna use that. So this is the palette. I'm so intrigued with this one. I picked this up because of the greens and these yellows and gold and the blue ones, and you can make neutral looks using this one. And to my surprise, when I swatched this one, it is very pigmented, very blendable, and yeah, very good quality for a drugstore and for a very cheap and I mean very affordable price. So yeah, why not? So I grabbed this one. It has a little bit of a shimmery. There are like 1, 2, 3, 4 maybe, 4 mattes and shimmers. Yeah, you can create lots of looks using this one. So just keep watching on my channel. I'm gonna do some tutorials using all the palettes that I pick up, and yeah, I am so excited to use this one. They're very nice. And the last thing that I saw was lipstick. This is the last one. So I found this MAC Selena lipstick for $4.99. This is the packaging. I think it's a limited edition Selena collection in all readable. I don't know. So I'm gonna show you. This is how it looks like, and this is the shade. Nice shade. So I am so excited to use this one on my tutorials. So if you like this video, if you like some makeup hauls here on my channel, please let me know in your comments down below. And that is all for my video for today. I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you do, please let me know your thoughts and your comments down below, and let me know whatever requests you want me to do on my next video. I would really appreciate it. So thank you for tuning into my channel, and don't forget that I upload my travel videos every Tuesdays and makeup tutorials every Thursdays. So please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell. Thank you so much guys, and I see you on my next video.